Electric ships could cut emissions by 73% by 2035, the sustainable future of maritime transport. Electrifying ships might be the next big step in reducing global CO2 emissions. A new study from Berkeley National Laboratory at the University of California projects that this transition could reduce emissions by up to 73% by 2035. With the maritime transport sector accounting for 3% of emissions in the U.S., shifting to electric ships is a significant measure in the fight for decarbonization. How does electrification in maritime transport work? Unlike transport vehicles like cars and trucks, electrifying ships presents greater challenges due to size, battery weight, and the range needed for voyages. Thus, the study focused on smaller American ships, such as passenger vessels and tugboats, that can be upgraded to use electric systems without compromising their operation. These ships represent approximately 6,323 vessels in the U.S., responsible for about 9.5% of transport emissions. The study also suggests that by excluding 1% of the longest journeys, it's possible to significantly reduce battery size, making electricity use more viable for short trips and optimizing energy consumption. Viability and benefits. Electrifying ships can become economically competitive compared to combustion models. The study, published in Nature Energy, indicates that by focusing investments on just 20 strategic U.S. ports, the necessary infrastructure for electric charging and vessel adaptation can be accelerated, facilitating the transition and reducing installation costs. Moreover, emission reductions will depend on the carbon intensity of the electricity used to charge the vessels. With investments in clean energy sources, electrifying ports and short maritime routes can significantly cut emissions, optimizing maritime transport and contributing to decarbonization efforts. The future of maritime electrification. This research lays an important foundation for future sustainability policies in the sector. As battery technologies continue to advance and electric systems become more accessible, it's possible to envision a future where electric ships become the standard, eliminating dependence on fossil fuels and creating a greener, more efficient maritime transport system. Adventurers, every subscribe is a step forward in our quest. Join us by hitting that subscribe button and help us unravel more secrets of our amazing world. Your support is our greatest adventure. Thanks, and see you in the next exploration.